Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to continue our previous lesson that was based on basic trigonometric functions. As it is a very ginormous topic and we can solve as many problems as we want. But going forward, we're going to do inverse trigonometric functions. Also, we will do some examples of angle of elevation and angle of depression. So our first example is, we are given this right angle triangle and we need to find out angle A. So the side opposite to 90-degree angle is hypotenuse, and the side opposite to angle A is opposite side, which is given to us 20, and this is adjacent side, which is 24. So we are given the opposite side and the adjacent side, so we're going to use this formula, like tan theta is equal to opposite side over adjacent side. So tan of angle A is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Now we're going to put these values here. So tan of angle A is equal to 20 over 24. So 5 by 6. Tan A degree is equal to 5 by 6. So tan of A degree is 5 by 6. Now we're going to multiply tan inverse on both sides, like multiply. So tan of inverse is tan A degree and tan of inverse is 5 by 6, and we can write tan inverse as 1 by tan. That means 1 by tan tan of A degree is equal to tan of inverse and 5 by 6. So A degree is equal to tan of inverse 5 by 6. So the 5 by 6 is 0.833, and now we're going to use scientific calculator in order to find tan inverse of 0.833. So it comes out to be 39.8 degree. So that means angle A is 39.8 degree. So our second example is, we need to find angle B. So the side opposite to 90-degree angle is hypotenuse, which is given to us 18, and the side opposite to angle B is opposite side, which is also given to us 4. So we got the hypotenuse and the opposite side, so we're going to use this formula, sine theta is equal to opposite side over hypotenuse. That means sine of B degree is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So sine of B degree is opposite side is 4 and the hypotenuse is 18. So 2 by 9. So that means sine of b degree is 2 by 9. Now we're gonna multiply by sine inverse on both sides. Sine inverse of 2 by 9. So b degree is sine inverse of 2 by 9, and in decimal form is 0.22. So the sine inverse of 0.22 is 12.8 degree. So that means angle B is 12.8 degree. So our third example is a forest ranger spots a tiger from top of the building which is 25 meter tall and angle of depression is 60 degree. How far is the tiger from base of the building? Let's say this is building which is 25 meter tall, and let's suppose the ranger is here. So, and the angle of depression is 60 degree. So what is angle of depression? It is the angle between horizontal line and line of sight to an object when we look down from top of the building or any structure. So let's say this is top of the building and the ranger is here and he spots a tiger. Let's say the line of sight is this and he spots a tiger somewhere here, and this is angle of depression. So we need to find out how far is the tiger from base of the building. Let's say if tiger is here and this is base of the building, and we need to find this distance. Let's suppose this is small x and this is 90 degree angle. If this is 60 and this is 30, because this whole angle is 90 by complementary angle property. So in this triangle, the side opposite to 30 degree is opposite side, which is x. Then we need to find out, and the adjacent side is 25 meter. So, and the angle is 30. So we're gonna use the formula tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. So that means tan 30 is opposite side is x and the adjacent side is 25. So tan 30 is 1 by under root 3 x over 25. So x is 25. So 25 by under root 3. So if we simplify this, 25 by under root 3. So the under root 3 is 1.73. So it comes out to be 14.4 meter. So that means the value of x is 14.4 meter. So our last example is a light rod is installed to a building standing 10 meter away from bottom of the building. The angle of elevation is 30 degree. How tall is the building? So that means, let's say this is the building and a light rod is installed to a building. Let's say this is the light rod which is installed to a building standing 10 meter away from bottom of the building. So let's say a person is standing here 10 meter away from bottom of the building, and the angle of elevation is 30 degree. So what is angle of elevation? Angle of elevation is the angle between horizontal line and line of sight to an object when we look upwards. So let's say this is the line of sight to an object, to a light rod, and the angle of elevation is 30 degree. So let's say this is the height of the building that we need to find out. So the side opposite to 30 degree is T, which is also an opposite side, and the adjacent side is 10 meter. And the side opposite to 90 degree angle is hypotenuse. So we're going to use the formula tan theta is equal to opposite side over adjacent side. So tan of 30 degree is opposite side is t that we need to find out, and the adjacent side is 10. So tan of 30 degree is 1 by under root 3 is equal to t by 10. So t is equal to 10 by under root 3. So this implies t is equal to 10 over under root 3 is 1.73. So 10 over 1.73 is 5.78 meter. So that means the height of the building is 5.78 meter.